Hey guys, today we're going to be telling you how you can take your online products to the next level and turn them into pure gold. So I believe when selling online, anybody can have the Midas Touch. Anybody can take an item and turn it into pure gold. The most profitable items come from normal items that somebody has done a couple tweaks to, a couple things different to differentiate themselves in the market. And today I'm going to tell you some things you can do to take your everyday products and turn them into solid gold. This might be a golden opportunity for you to smash that like button, give us a follow, give us a comment. We really appreciate it. So, the number one thing you can do to differentiate your product, make it stand out, turn it into solid gold, is to sit there and apply a brand to it. Branding is something you got to work at. It doesn't come overnight, but it's something that can add a lot of value to your item. Think about some of your favorite brands. Think of your favorite logos. Think of what they stand, what they mean. Brands convey both quality and confidence in an item. When you buy an item from a brand you love and trust, you know that that item is going to be good quality and that you're going to love it. That you go out there, you create a brand, you create something that you and other people are going to love, and something that means something to you. I want you to think about the colors, I want you to think about the slogans, the branding, the logos, the design, everything you can to put your own personal touch on your products. This way, you're no longer selling a generic product. You're no longer selling what everyone else is selling. You're selling your own unique thing, something that can only be bought from you. And this is how you take a product and turn it into pure gold. All kinds of gravy on top of the normal biscuit. Another way to differentiate yourself in the market is from a differentiating factor. That means you're going to find out what some of your best-selling competition does, and you're going to do something a little different. You're going to tweak maybe an attribute, a color, a design, a style, the quantity of it in a pack. You're going to tweak some sort of aspect of it to make something completely unique and different that's your own. So by making this little change, you're going to make yourself stand out. You're going to make something that doesn't currently exist in the market that people are going to want, that they're going to need, that they're going to want to get their hands on. And that's what's going to allow you to go to that next level. That's going to allow you to make those additional sales compared to, if you just sell the run-of-the-mill product that everybody else is selling and there's 15 of them online. We all know people who do things like that. But this is your opportunity to get out there and do something different. Don't be afraid to be different. The next example I have is one of my favorites. I want you to go out there and find your niche. Now, finding your niche doesn't mean you have to make some sort of obscure product that nobody likes and just focus in that category. You can do something that you love, something that you enjoy, something that's fun. Let's say you like fishing. Maybe you could take something as boring as a coffee mug and put some fish on it, put, guy fishing, some quotes about fishing, and all of a sudden you can take a boring product like a mug and sell it to people who like to fish. There's lots of people who like cats and pets, and you can do all kinds of themes around that. You can do all kinds of themes around people who like certain seasons, people who like holidays. But what you want to do is you want to find this area where you can take a bunch of products, bring them into that world, and market to that very specific audience. Because if you know who you're selling it to, it's very easy to target them online. It's a lot easier to find out who owns a dog and send display ads to people who have said something about their dog on Facebook than it is to just market to a broad audience, a mug or a pillow or something that's completely irrelevant to them. So by targeting these niches and adding these niches to common everyday products, you're able to reach specific groups of people and you're able to convert at a higher rate. So this is another way that you could take normal everyday boring objects like coffee cups, pillows, pens, license plates, all kinds of boring things, and turn them into really specific targeted items meant for a niche audience that sell every time. Another way that you can take a lead product and turn it into a gold product, almost like it's alchemy, is to try multi-packing it. Now, there's a lot of items out there that are cheap and they don't really do well online because shipping is so expensive. But by selling them in large multi-packs, they can easily become some of your most profitable items. One of my favorite examples of this is I did this with dental floss once. I was unable to sell dental floss on Amazon at $4 a container. But when I took 4 of them and put them together, I was easily able to sell them for $10. And this allowed me to make $3 or $4 a sale versus the 60 cents I was making a sale on one piece of dental floss and struggling to do that. Both me and the customer had more value. We had a larger pie to share from, and they were able to walk away with a better value in terms of what they got as a product, and I was able to make more money. It's a win-win. So I highly recommend that if you have products that aren't very profitable, that somebody might be able to use multiple of the same product, you multi-pack it. You take advantage of that. You go out there and you get those extra sales. And this will allow you to take a lead product and turn it into a gold product. My next tip is kitting and bundling. You guys know I like to hit the kitting and bundling. I like to hit it hard over and over and over again. Complementary products need to be sold with one another. If you're kitting and bundling, it multiplies the number of listings in your catalog and you're able to sell infinitely more stuff. Infinitely more listings, infinitely more stuff. You gotta be out there and kitting and bundling. If you have complementary items, put them together. Sell the baseball glove with the baseball bat. Get out there, kit and bundle, increase the value to your customer, and get more sales. That's how you make a golden product. My final tip to you is to include a freebie. Everybody's favorite price is free. There's nobody in the world that doesn't like getting something for free. So what you want to do is you want to give your customers something for free. So if you have a product and there's a lot of steep competition, maybe you can throw in an inexpensive accessory or additional item or something that complements that might make people choose your product over somebody else's product. For example, a way I've been doing this is I've been taking toilet brushes and giving them away for free with the purchase of a toilet seat. This has caused the sales of my toilet seats to multiply by 4 times. 4x! Just by giving away a free toilet brush. I couldn't sell those toilet brushes on their own if my life depended on it. But when you put them with a toilet seat, you get 4x the sales. And I was able to charge $2 more. So I made more money, I sold more stuff, and people thought they were getting something for free and they loved it. Free is everybody's favorite number, and psychologically it works. It's gonna allow you to sell more stuff and therefore have more golden items. So guys, I want to just leave you with some final thoughts. If you're going to ship an item, make sure it's made of gold. Make sure it's the best, most valuable thing you can ship. Normal everyday items with a little bit of work can be turned into golden selling opportunities that can produce tons and tons of revenue for you and your business. So guys, I really hope you guys are enjoying the content, really enjoying these videos. I want you guys to get out there, give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a comment. YouTube loves it and it helps us do better with these videos. We're going to be coming at you every Monday with more and more content. This year we're going to have a lot of guests. We're going to do some story time videos. It's going to be really fun and we hope you will join us.